Welcome to Direct Talk, where we direct our lives with purpose, passion, and power. Ako si Direct Frank Lloyd Mamaril at ngayon pag-uusapan natin ng isang bagay na sobrang underrated pero life-changing. Finding your people, finding your tribe. Yung mga taong hindi lang kasama mo, yung ka-frequency mo. Let me tell you something real. You can be talented. You can be hardworking. You can have vision. Pero kung mali ang paligid mo, mabubulok ang potential mo. Ang tao parang halaman. Hindi ka pwedeng tumubo sa maling lupa, tapos magtataka ka, bakit hindi ka nagbo-bloom? May mga tao na tatawanan ng pangarap mo. Sasabihin, practical ka na lang. Iproprotect ang insecurities nila sa'yo. And slowly, without realizing it, you shrink. Hindi porket matagal mo ng kaibigan, sila na ang tribe mo. May mga tao na pang high school lang, pang inuman lang, pang chismisan lang. Pero hindi pang vision, hindi pang dream building. Minsan, masakit tanggapin na you outgrow people. And that's okay. Growth requires alignment. So, paano mo malalaman na sila na? Ito yung hindi ka nai-insecure kapag nag-win sila. Yung hindi ka nila minamaliit kapag nangangarap ka ng malaki. They also correct you without humiliating you. They celebrate you without competing with you. Yung may depth ang usapan, hindi lang puro surface. Your tribe will push you, will pray for you, will protect you, they will promote you. Let me give you scenarios. Number 1, ikaw, excited ka, may bago kang business idea. Yung una mong kaibigan ang sasabihin yan, uy, ang hirap niyan, dami ng ganyan. Pero your tribe will say, game, anong plano? Paano kita matutulungan? Diba big difference? Another scenario, may opportunity ka abroad. Yung isang kaibigan mo will say, baka hindi ka kayanin. Pero your tribe will say, kaya mo yan. At pag umangat ka, huwag mo kaming kalimutan ha. Ang tribe mo, hindi ka hinihila pababa. They don't compete with your light. They help you shine brighter. Here's the twist. Before you find your tribe, you have to become tribe-worthy. You have to ask yourself, am I supportive? Do I clap for others? Do I show up? Am I secure? Because energy attracts energy. Kung puro drama ka, drama din ang maa-attract mo. Kung growth ang vibe mo, growth people ang darating sa'yo. Minsan, feeling mo mag-isa ka. But hear me clearly. Being alone is better than being surrounded by the wrong people. Loneliness is temporary. Wrong alignment is destructive. Quality over quantity. Mas okay na 3 ang solid kaysa 10 ang toxic. Your tribe will clap for you even when you're not in the room. If they mock your dreams, they're not your people. Hindi ka mahirap, nasa maling environment ka lang. Alignment feels peaceful, not competitive. You don't lose people when you grow. You lose what no longer aligns. So today, I want you to reflect. Who are the 5 people you spend the most time with? Do they stretch you or shrink you? Remember this. You deserve people who see your vision, who respects your growth, who support your journey. At kung wala pa sila ngayon, keep growing. Because the right tribe will recognize you when you're ready. This has been Direct Talk, where we don't just talk about life, we direct it. If this episode resonated with you, share this with your tribe. Or maybe, send this to someone who is meant to be part of your future. Ako, si Direct Frank Lloyd Mamaril, and I'll see you on the next episode.